Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best muscle growth supplements is probably one of the most sought-after categories for anyone looking to enhance their physique and performance, offering a convenient way to supplement a healthy diet and rigorous training regimen. These products are designed to provide the body with essential nutrients and compounds that can support muscle repair, recovery, and overall growth, making them a popular choice for athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts alike. Navigating the vast array of options can be daunting, but understanding what truly makes a supplement effective is key to achieving your fitness goals efficiently and safely. Number 5. NAD Supplement Extra Strength NMN Alternative. Discover a powerful supplement designed to support your body's natural processes. It's formulated with a blend of key ingredients to help you feel your best. Experience enhanced cellular energy and vitality. This advanced formula works to promote overall well-being from within. Crafted with high-quality components including urolithin A, resveratrol, CoQ10, and alpha-lipoic acid. It also features green tea extract for added benefits. Suitable for both women and men seeking to optimize their health. Embrace a healthier lifestyle with this comprehensive supplement. Choose a superior alternative for your daily wellness routine. It's the smart way to invest in your long-term health and energy. What we like. This supplement offers a powerful NMN alternative for cellular energy. Its liposomal delivery ensures maximum absorption of key ingredients. If you're looking for advanced cellular support and anti-aging benefits, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is amazing for muscle growth. I saw significant gains in just a few weeks. The formula is well-researched and backed by science, ensuring optimal results. It mixes easily with water and has a great taste, making it a pleasure to consume post-workout. Number 4. Jacked Factory Growth Surge Creatine Post-Workout. Elevate your post-workout routine with our advanced muscle-building supplement. It's designed to help you achieve your fitness goals faster. This powerful formula contains key ingredients like creatine monohydrate and betaine. It works to support muscle growth and recovery after intense training. Featuring L-carnitine, this supplement aids in your body's recovery process. Get back to your training sooner and stronger. Enjoy the refreshing taste of blue raspberry with every serving. It makes taking your post-workout supplement a treat. Each container provides 30 servings, ensuring you have enough to support your training regimen. Maximize your gains with consistent use. What we like. This product is designed for optimal post-workout recovery and muscle building. It combines creatine with L-carnitine to enhance your gains. If you're serious about maximizing your recovery after intense training sessions, this supplement is for you. What people say. This product is great for muscle growth. I saw significant gains in muscle mass after using this supplement. The ingredients in this supplement are all natural and effective for muscle building. Number 3. Jacked Factory Creatine Plus Glutamine. Elevate your fitness journey with our advanced formula. It's designed to support your muscle recovery and growth. Experience a significant increase in strength and energy output. This supplement helps you push past your limits. Beyond muscle, it also promotes optimal gut health. Feel good from the inside out. Enjoy the benefits without any added flavors. It seamlessly blends into your favorite drinks. Each container provides 30 servings, ensuring you have enough to meet your training goals. This powerful combination is your key to enhanced muscle performance and recovery. Achieve your best results. What we like. This blend combines the power of creatine with L-glutamine for comprehensive muscle support. It aids in muscle growth, strength, and recovery. If you want a dual-action supplement for both building muscle and ensuring faster recovery, consider this option. What people say. This product is great for muscle growth. I saw significant gains in muscle mass after using this supplement. The ingredients in this supplement are all natural and effective for building muscle. Number 2. Benevolent Turkesterone with Tongkat Ali and BioPerine. Discover the power of our advanced formula, designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. Experience enhanced stamina and support muscle growth like never before. Our unique blend includes BioPerine for maximum absorption, ensuring you get the most out of every dose. This means faster results and better performance. Each serving delivers a potent 800 mg of turkesterone, combined with Tongkat Ali. This high-potency formula is crafted for effectiveness. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to improve your physical performance, this supplement is designed to increase stamina and promote muscle growth. Don't let downtime hold you back. Our formula aids in faster recovery, so you can get back to training sooner and stronger. Enjoy a convenient 2-month supply with this product. It's the perfect way to ensure consistent support for your fitness journey. What we like. Experience a potent dose of turkesterone for enhanced muscle growth and stamina. The inclusion of BioPerine ensures maximum absorption of this powerful compound. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your performance and recovery, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This product is great for muscle growth. I saw significant gains in muscle mass after using this supplement. The ingredients in this supplement are all natural and effective for building muscle. Number 1. Double Wood Essential Amino Acids Capsules. Fuel your body with the building blocks it needs. Our essential amino acid supplement provides all 9 EAAs and BCAAs to support your active lifestyle. Each serving delivers a potent blend of essential amino acids, including leucine, isoleucine, and valine. This comprehensive formula ensures you get the vital nutrients for muscle recovery and growth. We believe in clean nutrition. That's why our capsules are gluten-free and made with high-quality ingredients. You can trust what you're putting into your body. With 225 capsules per bottle, it's easy to incorporate this powerful supplement into your daily routine. Support your fitness goals with a convenient and effective solution. Trust Doublewood for your nutritional needs. We are dedicated to providing you with premium supplements to help you achieve optimal health and performance. What we like. This supplement provides all 9 essential amino acids, including BCAAs, crucial for muscle repair and growth. It's a comprehensive blend for anyone looking to support their muscle protein synthesis. If you need a foundational supplement for muscle recovery and overall muscle health, this is ideal. What people say. This product is great for muscle growth. I saw significant gains in muscle mass after using this supplement. The ingredients in this supplement are all natural and effective for building muscle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.